Just touch everything.
I'm gonna just sleep on the floor, I think.
Just sleep.
Oh my gosh!
You're good at what you do.
My name's Olivia O'Donnell and I'm 10 years old. I started baking when I was 8 and I found a passion for it and I've been baking ever since, like at least 6 times a week.
Olivia's always been a creative child, but I believe she's really found her passion with baking.
I donated 800 cupcakes to the Relay for Life and I sold them there. And we had over $3,500 donated for cancer research.
She spends a lot of time where she could be creating and baking new things, just working around the limitations of the kitchen.
You guys ready to check out the new kitchen?
So ready, so glad to be home.
You ready to do some baking in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Check this out.
Oh my, are you kidding me with that?
That is
Oh my gosh, that is incredible.
that is so cool.
That
Have
is
you
so
ever
cool.
seen anything like that?
I don't want to leave it. If I could put a blanket and a pillow, I would sleep there, but I love it.
JJ was diagnosed with cystic fibrosis at 7 years old. Blockage in his lungs regularly affects his breathing, digestion, and immune system as a whole.
He can't be around a dusty environment.
No.
He can't be around an environment where there's chemicals or vapors. His room, we always have to make sure his room is as dust-free as possible. Little things like that make it a little tougher around the house here sometimes.
JJ is a pillar here in Island Park. His passion for raising cystic fibrosis awareness and getting involved in local government is second to none.
John's goals when he was younger, he always wanted to be president.
Always wanted to be president.
And all the kids used to call him Mr. President.
Yes.
And once he was old enough and he was able to run for student council, everybody got to know him in town, and the mayor made him assistant aide to the mayor.
I love our community. I find it very important to be civic-minded. I work with the mayor here in the village hall. I also volunteer my time with the church. It gets hectic, but you know what? It's all for the community, and it's worth it.
Want to see what we did?
Yes.
All right, come on.
Wait.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Ow.
The front room used to be a clutter room, a catch-all. Now it's beautiful. Couldn't believe it. I didn't imagine it to ever look like that. The work and the pictures of us and JJ's desk. Do you love it? He loved it. I could tell right away when he walked in. He was almost crying. He couldn't believe it looked like this. He said, I can't believe this is our front room.
JoJo was born with Down syndrome in 1998. Now, while the initial diagnosis was a shock, the Gonzalez family was quickly blessed by his incredible spirit. While they've made great strides, JoJo lacks a safe space where he can independently thrive. This backyard has potential, but requires a major transformation this hardworking family could never tackle on their own. All right, Gonzalez family, welcome to your new backyard.
Oh my God! Is this ours?
You see what's next, JoJo?
Yeah,
You see why I was stalling you here? All right, shall we?
Oh my God!
Oh, JoJo.
JoJo, look at that!
When we walked into the yard, I was just overcome with emotion. Joseph was really happy.
His tears said it all.
It's beautiful, right? Oh wow!
It was emotional for all of us.
Danny was diagnosed with a rare form of pediatric brain cancer at just 3 years old. Danny has bravely endured years of chemotherapy and still battles seizures and developmental challenges. Although he's not cancer-free, his condition is stable and his spirit remains unbreakable.
Walking down the hallway to Danny's room, I had already seen what they did to our room and then the girls' room, and I knew his room was going to be extraordinary.
Oh my gosh! So good!
Wow. I loved it because usually he's a little bit guarded. He's not always sure of how he's supposed to react in situations because he's not great with social things. Even one of the girls whispered, that's the most genuine reaction I've ever heard out of Danny, like really from his heart where he hasn't been guarded. And
he just loved it.
What is that?
Holy cow.
This guy, David Wright, he just, you know, turns out he's a fan.
Oh my gosh! Danny, boy, your favorite player!
CAILIN was born at 27 weeks, premature. She was the beaming joy in our family because she was the first girl to be born. And then at like 15 months old, we were following up with the doctor, doing what we were supposed to do, and one day they recommended PT for her. And the physical therapist that they sent to the house said to me, "This little girl has CP." And I went, "Wait, what?" They had hoped for her that she would walk someday and that it wasn't a very severe case of CP. And then as the years turned on, we were very blessed and very fortunate because CAILIN was cognitively normal. She was learning, she was speaking, but she couldn't walk. Just her legs, her arms, her motor function wasn't working, and we took her to every specialist, but she's never gonna walk. CAILIN's favorite place on earth is Southampton Fresh Air Home. It's a summer camp where she gets to go away for 3 weeks.
Camp brought me to learn to accept my disability better than I had before. It puts it into perspective that we all find ways to adapt and get through life.
Oh
Holy moly!
Oh my God!
Oh my God, CAILIN!
Whoa! Look at the walls! Look at this beautiful bed, CAILIN. Everything in here, CAILIN, is now literally operated touch of a button.
What?
Whether you want to change your lights.
Turn the lights purple. Guys, look! Guys, look! I think my reaction, I was like jumping and shaking all over the place.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Like, this is my house.
Hi, my name is Anastasia PAGONIS. Some people call me Toss, and I'm 15.
Our daughter Toss is an incredible swimmer, and she's a Paralympian medalist.
Between the ages of 5 and 15, she has endured progressive vision loss, which recently has left her almost completely blind. We want to surprise Toss with a life-changing rescue that will give her the independence and comfort she deserves. A hazardous bathroom and light sensitivity issues around the house create daily anxiety and obstacles. All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home. So for going upstairs, the first thing I want you to feel is this painting right here.
It's Braille.
It's Braille.
But big.
Oh my gosh, Tasia. This is like the rich and famous it looks like in here, Toss.
Tasia!
The floor.
Honey.
Just touch everything.
I'm gonna just sleep on the floor, I think.
Just wait, touch everything.
Feel this.
Toss, you're gonna die.
Maureen?
No, Toss, you're gonna die. Okay? Oh my
Maureen.
gosh,
You
Toss.
smell that?
Honey, what the? Oh my.
So put your hand right here.
Oh my God.
All right? Now just reach out a little bit more.
A jacuzzi!
So when you were at the hotel, I know
Are you
you were
serious?
training on an endless pool. So we talked to the guys at Endless Pool, and they're very much behind who you are. Wait, your hand's in it right now. Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
Walking into the room and seeing my son injured, so bruised, and laying there with tubes is something that you never want to see in your life.
I woke up and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
His reaction was, so what? I'll deal. That was true Alex. He's just amazing and an inspiration.
I need to stay strong, and I've been pushing myself with my physical therapist, Wes, to get the strongest I possibly can. I want to be jacked. Sorry, I had to.
All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So modern and nice.
Can I tell you how fresh and alive this is?
I am in awe of what has been done for Alex. It is beyond our wildest dreams.
Oh, what? Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. That you guys just incorporated everything that I love inside the perfect room. It's swag, and I'm all about swag. Wow. Oh my God. So beautiful.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain. And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
I have surprised a lot of amazing people on George Rescue, and I have never met anyone like SPARSH SHAH.
If you can believe it, you can achieve it. I'm 14 years old, and I'm a singer, songwriter, rapper, and inspirational speaker from New Jersey. I have osteogenesis imperfecta. In layman's terms, that's brittle bone disorder. It's a rare and currently incurable genetic disorder. It causes a person's bones to be very fragile. Everyday life is kind of a bit of a challenge because, you know, you never know when something could happen, so you always have to be careful.
SPARSH is determined to change the world, and I want to help him do it. And the best way I can do that is to make it easier for him to do it from the comfort of his own home. Accessibility is a major challenge, but I have some big ideas that'll give SPARSH the freedom to continue inspiring millions.
I'm excited to go in.
You ready? All right, let's do this.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
All right, welcome home.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Okay, first impression.
Brick wall right here. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my God!
Mr. Oliphant opened the curtain, and I was just blown, mind blown. I was like, this is the thing that I've been waiting for so long.
Look at this.
I come out studio.
All the big cards. There's pure rhythm there too.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.